Today on HandyDadTV, we are starting a whole new chapter for my channel. I have worked all my life to teach my kids how to manage a house, even though it was my house. But now they're getting to the age where it's time for them to actually start branching out. And you can see the for sale sign over here. I have really good news. My oldest daughter and her fiance have purchased this house. We are starting a whole new series on the channel. It is going to be called The Living Flip. So the concept of a living flip is pretty simple. My premise is every house is a flip. Some people buy them for investment and just fix them up and flip them, but we're doing it a little bit different. Yes, they're buying it as an investment, but they're going to be living here while they fix it up. The whole concept of a living flip is that you're going to go through 3 phases. The first is to make the house livable, second, make it lovable, and third is make it profitable. Now this house is a bank-owned foreclosure that's been empty for over a year. Now it's in bad shape, but not terrible shape. It's not exactly move-in ready. It needs a little bit of work. It needs HVAC, it needs a roof, it needs electrical. There's definitely stuff that needs to be done here, and we're going to be working towards that. Now this house is a foreclosure and it's being sold by the bank. So that means that the buyer is responsible for anything that's wrong with it. We are also responsible for getting the certificate of occupancy, and that is where we're starting today. Now typically a seller is responsible for getting the certificate of occupancy and making sure the house is livable when they transfer title. In this situation, the bank says, nope, we're not responsible in any way. You're buying it as is, so it's your responsibility to make sure it passes, and anything it fails for, we've got to fix. Our town, Freehold, gives a checklist on their website that says these are all the things we're going to check. So they give it to you in advance to let you do a preparatory look around the house and make sure everything meets code. One of the important ones is the fire code. They highlighted for us these 3 things: smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detector, and a wall-mounted fire extinguisher in the kitchen. So those are 3 things we definitely need to do or we will automatically fail. And it says the smoke detectors need to be new and have a permanent battery sealed in the unit now. And they need to be within 10 feet of all bedrooms. Now we have bedrooms on both levels, so we're hanging 2 smoke detectors today. It's got a sealed battery in it, and it doesn't have to be changed for 10 years. So there's no beeping, nothing's gonna wake you up in the middle of the night, and it is a combination smoke and carbon monoxide detector. So you're good to go for 10 years. And that should just twist on. When it does, it'll there you go. So we got another one up here, and it's pretty close to the bedrooms, but I don't know if it's 10 feet. I would say bring it closer a little bit. What do you think?
Sounds good.
We'll take that one down.
Watch your ears, find the hole.
One of the things they specify about the fire extinguisher is not only do they say what size it needs to be, but it needs to be permanently attached in the kitchen. And it also needs to be new. They want to see the receipt. So we've got it all prepared for them. All right, so for this, to hang the fire extinguisher, we've got this bracket here. And that bracket is going to be held up with that hollow wall anchor. Now, it has to be here for inspection, but we don't necessarily have to keep it there. No, the stud's over there. Okay, we should be good. Push hard and just let it go through.
Keep going.
Keep going. There you go. Good and flush. All right, now get that bracket. Push hard. You got it. Okay. Oh, it's for you. Pop that in there. There you go. And the cabinet's free. You can close the door. We're good. Let's see here. Any work performed without necessary permits? You don't have any permits, do you?
No.
Yeah, no, I didn't think so. And because we're buying the house as is, we're just praying that everything was done with a permit. Okay. Let's check the garage door, because the garage door, not that we can do anything about it, but let's just go check it because that's number 3 on here. It has to be solid core or steel. All right, so let's see here. All right, this looks like a solid. Well, I don't know if this is going to pass. It does have steel on the inside, but it does feel like a hollow core door. All right, here's another one. The dryer vent must be metal, not plastic, and it is. Bathrooms without an operable window must have a vent fan. This one does. Okay, the pool gate must have a self-closing latch. Well, unfortunately, it's padlocked, so we can't try it. But it looks to have, that is a spring, so it should, I believe, it should close on its own. All right, here's another one. House numbers must be 6 inches high and visible from the street. Well, this one, not only did it come down, but these are not 6 inches high. A little bit of creative blue tape, and hopefully it'll hold until tomorrow. All right, I have so many more videos coming your way for the living flip. This is going to be such an exciting year to come, and get my kids moved out and on their own, and we're going to transform this house so much. So this is kind of a before picture, and we're going to see what it looks like as time goes by. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, because you're really going to want to watch this series if you ever hope to own a home for yourself. So thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. If you'd like to win one of several official Living Flip hats, complete with a HandyDadTV button, please be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment below. Thanks.